We'll guide you through how to download and install apps on an iPhone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Getting apps is super useful because they can do so many different things. To go and get apps, you need to go and use the App Store. This would have come on your iPhone. It should be on your home screen on the first page. If you can't see it, you can always go and search your phone for App Store by dragging down and searching for it. So you can go and click on Today in the bottom left if you want and go through these different sections to go and browse through apps. If there's one specific one you want, you can click on search over to the right. In this case, I want to go and get this app here, Simply Piano. So I'll go over to the right and go and click on Get. There are apps on the App Store which you do have to pay for, but some which you can go and download for free as well. Shortly, you will go and get this pop-up and you need to go and confirm you want to go and download it. You should already have an Apple ID account on your phone when you first set it up, but you do need to go and have one in order to go and get apps from the App Store. And when it's ready, it'll go and say open. You can click open there, but you can also go and find it on your iPhone home screen. As you can see, here it is. We can open it up and go and use it.